Setting a Hostinger page as a home page. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a Hostinger page or any Hostinger page that you have into your website as a home page. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over to hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the account set up. Now, once you have the H panel or the dashboard, we're going to head over the left side of the screen, click on websites, click on websites list, and here you're going to see all of the websites that you own. Now, what we're going to do basically is to select one of the websites that we want to make that specific particularity of settings to and click on edit website. Now, we are going to wait for the website builder to load up. As you can see, it is going to be a fast process and not a long one. So here, as you can see, we have the website builder loaded up. Now, at the top or at the header, we are going to see all of the pages. We have the home menu, which is going to be logically the home page. We have the blog, the shop, and etc. So basically, I want to change that home page, for example, not being a home page, but or I mean by that the main page, which is going to give the access directly from the specific here connection or first connection or entry into the website. We're going to change it, for example, for the blog. We're going to head over to the left side of the screen, click on pages and navigations. For example, here we have the link. As you can see, I'm going to delete this link because the homepage or the real homepage is going to be on the hidden. So I'm going to have it in here. So as you can see, this is the homepage. How did I knew that? Because, or how did I know? Because it is going to have the house or the home icon in here. So I'm going to select, for example, another page, not a link. Make sure that you're not going to select a link, but a page that will have this specific paper on it. I mean the paper icon. Click on the three dots and you're going to see make home page. I'm going to click on it and you're going to see the switch between the home page and the blog for the home icon. Now, if I am going to head over again the website, I'm going to refresh the website. Normally, it will take us to the main page or the home page, which is going to be normally the blog. But here, I think that we have not made the website update. So this is something that we should do. I'm going to wait for the update to load up and then we are going to see the process. Now, I think that my website is going to be following up. We are going to view the page and we're going to see the first page, which is going to be the blog. This is the home page. Now, if you want to make the home, as you can see, page again as the home page, we're going to have it in here because this is the link. So we cannot make a link as a home page. As you can see, I have mentioned that we're going to have here make home page, update the website again, and here we have it. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.